clap for one thing. Now, another thing I want to talk basically. I have few things to discuss. Very soon I will soon bring up. Comedy these days has gone to that point where you really can't rely on your jokes. Amen? You have to either rely on the audience or your memory. Most times the memory fails, so we write them down in a sheet of paper for reminder. Hello? If you like, say, I paid my money for this boy to come and read book. He concerns you in my exam with this. I have a couple of jokes here. I have given you musician and attitude. True or false? Small Pikin and what's that? Let me give you that one. Today we'll have a fair joke. Small Pikin and what's that? Now, how many of you have kids in your house? Your own baby. Trolley. Oh, it's big already, so now they push you. When I don't say, again, the way you go push worry Pikin for trolley, now only you go, no, push on your head, let me show you. Go push you. But one thing I observe about little kids is that they're not big small children to throw. They are all liars. Just listen. No more word won't end, so God not fasting. Everything. They are all adults. The only problem is that they're born them. For you to catch such, if you have a child and the child wants to eat with you, it's not eating because he wants to eat your rice. It's eating because he's aiming at your meat. You they eat rice. Or your boy Pikin will always do like this. Uncle, what is that? If they see you they eat rice and you know rice, so you'll say, it's food. Is it rice? Then you'll say, yes. Is it sweet? You'll say, no. You're going to say, I like something that is not sweet. Which time you give me that? Now small Pikin. Wait. Then you're going to say, give me. You're going to give her one. They get dance with the first spoon. As you give her one, you're like, don't eat the first one. You can't eat the second one to make you fall in love. Give me again. You're going to give her a bottle one. Now I'm not serious with you. You're going to come. You then you won't give her the third one. As you do like you learn. You're push up. That. Your meat. That means that the meat you want it sees. Why they fool you? I didn't do anything. And your brother uncle Phil just say, go, you naughty girl. Why didn't you say you want the meat? Then you're like, meat. Then once you give her meat, see dance. That means he don't win you. But check worry Pikin. We won't eat with the bros. They don't people get time for too much dance because time not there. Brother, what did they chop? Yeah, the brother. He concern you. Pikin go one shot. Nice. The brother will say, your own loss. Because